The capsule stain is another type of a differential stain. Some bacteria have a capsule that's outside of the cell wall, so you would have your cell membrane, then the cell wall, and then the capsule. Um, and so it could be beneficial to do a capsule stain to see if that a capsule is present or not. From a medical microbiology standpoint, usually if a capsule is present, that gives an additional virulence factor or increases the pathogenicity of that organism. So to do the stain, you would take your sample, smear it on the slide. You do not heat fix it because the heat fixing might destroy the capsule. So after you do the smear, what you're going to do is do a negative stain using typically nigrosin. Sometimes you use Indian ink, but usually you use nigrosin. And you do the negative stain where you put the drop on one end, you use a second slide to slide and just kind of draw the stain across the slide. Let it air dry. Now, if you were doing a negative stain, you stop there. However, with a capsule stain, after it's air dried, then you add crystal violet for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you rinse with a saline solution, you blot it dry, and then you would look at it under the microscope. Now, this is what you would see is the background is going to be stained, the darker color. Right here, you can see the whitish area is the capsule. Okay, you can see the bacteria inside is that darker stained interior, but the capsule looks white. Why does a bacteria have a capsule in the first place? Number one, it's for protection for the bacteria. It helps to prevent dehydration. It can help trap nutrients. If the bacteria, say, is invading a human, that with our immune system, it's harder for our specialized white blood cells, the leukocytes, to be able to attack a bacteria that has a capsule on it. So it protects it not only out in the environment, but also in the host that it's trying to infect. And as I said, it will often increase the virulence factor of it. So as far as viewing the slide, like I say, the background will be colored, and it's real obvious that you have this kind of almost like a ghost light figure, that it's this clearing around the bacteria. That is indicative of, yes, there is a capsule present.